Hello there. Hi, everyone. Welcome to English Grammar class. This is an interesting English Grammar class. I am Miss Anne, and today we are going to be learning about determiners. So let's dive right in. Do you know that you make use of determiners every day? Let me show you what I mean. Now, determiners are words that we put in front of a noun to show how many, which one, or whose. Like, who does this belong to? Examples of determinants, you have words like this is my bag, this is their house, that is your book. Did you get that? So this, that, these, those, some, few, many, my, yours, he, she, has. So those words you make use of every day, they are called determiners. So now you know. So that it's going to be very easy for you to understand what determiners are because you already make use of determiners every time you speak. So let's look at the types of determiners. Now we have five types of determiners. Number one is what we call articles. And examples of words you see under articles are a, an, and the. Now, number two, we have demonstrative, and this involve words like this, that, these, those. The third one, we have possessives, and this involve words like my, yours, his, her, ours, and theirs. Quantifiers is the next one, and then we this includes words like some, many, few, several, and lastly we have numbers, which includes one, two, three, first, second, and so on. So these are the five types of determinants that we have. Number one, articles. Number two, demonstratives. Number three, possessive. Number four, quantifiers, and number five, numbers. So let's understand articles. Like I told you, articles make use of a, an, and the. Now, articles is divided into your definite and indefinite. Definite and indefinite. You make use of a in front of a consonant nouns. Remember I told you that we normally use determiners in front of nouns. What are nouns? A name of a person, animal, place, thing, or idea. So nouns that begin with a consonant letter or have a consonant sound, we make use of a. So a ball, a bird, a dog, a cat, a table, a shoe, a chair. They all have consonant letters and consonant sounds, so you make use of what? A. Now for an, you make use of an. You put it for vowel nouns. So nouns that begin with a vowel letter. Example, an egg, an umbrella. Did you get that? So an egg, an umbrella, and so on and so forth. So nouns that begin with a vowel letter. The next one is D. Now you make use of D for the things that are known. Example, if I say I saw a man today. You don't know the man. You know nothing about the man. All you know is I'm telling you that I've seen somebody and the person is a man. So I saw a man today. The man was wearing. So by the time I say the man, I want to continue telling that story. I will not make use of A again. I will now use D because you now know the man I'm talking about. That the person I'm referring to is what I saw today. So I will start by saying I saw a man today because you don't know who the person is. The man was wearing pink and black. The man was tall. So I keep making use of D because now the man is known by you. You have an idea of who or what I'm talking about. So you make use of D for things that are known, things that are specific. Look at these examples over here. I saw a bird in the garden. The bird had two wings. Can you see? The sun is shining bright. She ate an apple after lunch. An elephant is a large animal. He bought a new bicycle. And that's that about articles. Now the next determiner we'll be learning about is demonstratives. Now demonstratives involve words like this, that, these, and those. Now you use this for one thing that is near. This, that's THIS, only goes for one thing that is near to you. While that is also used for one thing, but that one is far from you. Mommy, I want this one. I want that one over there. Did you get that? So this is used for one thing that is near you, while that is used for one thing that is far from you. Then these is for one thing, is more than one thing, okay, plural. So this is the plural form of this. So these more than one that are near to you, and those more than one that are far from you. So do we get that? Singular and plural. This and these, that and those. Example, this pencil is mine. Now I see that she's holding the pencil is close to her. So this pencil is mine. That car over there is old. That car is very old, it's far from me, so I have to point to the car I'm talking about. Now these apples are fresh, more than one apple. They are close to me. So these apples they are fresh. These apples are fresh. And then the last one, those birds are flying away. The birds are far from me, they're in the sky. So I'm pointing, those birds are flying away. So now let's learn about possessives. Possessives are words that simply show ownership. Who owns this? Who does this belong to? Now you make use of words like my, yours, his, her, ours, and theirs for what? Possessive. Example, my mother is kind. That's my mom over there. And she's kind. So the mom belongs to me. It's my mom. So my mother is kind. Your shoes are clean. The shoes belong to you, so your shoes are clean. His bag is under the table. His bag is under the table. And her purse is on top of the table. So that is your word possessives, just like pronouns. Pronouns are used instead of noun. So you have some kind of pronoun. So possessive show what? Ownership. Who owns this thing? Who does this belong to? Now let's talk about quantifiers. Quantifiers show us what? Quantity. How many are there? How much of something there is. So they help us to describe quantity of something without giving us an exact number. You don't know how many exactly, but you just know that you have quite a number over there. So they are called quantifiers. Now examples of words under quantifiers, you have some, many, few, several, all, and so on. Example, some students are writing. Some students are writing. So you don't know the exact number of students that's writing, but some students are writing. Now, many children like ice cream. Many children all over the world like ice cream. You can't possibly count that. Okay, so you can kind of use quantifiers for things that you can't really count. So many children like ice cream. Several books are on the desk. Several books are on the desk. So did you get quantifiers? So just to show us how many there are without actually counting, without having the exact number. So some, many, few, several, all. So the next one we have numbers. Numbers. Numbers show us how many are there. You can actually count numbers. So they are used with countable nouns. So I want to know exactly, give me a number. I want to know exactly how many are there. Then you make use of what? Numbers determiners. So words under number determiners, you have one, two, three, four, five, blah 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 blah. Each, every, both, and so on. So I have two pencils. One and two. I can count how many pencils I'm holding. So I have two pencils. She is the first person in line. She is the first person in line. Each person received an award. Each person received an award. So you might have 100 people over there, but every single 100 person, everybody there received an award. So you can see numbers. So they give us a specific number, an exact number. Okay. So now we've learned about determiners and we've seen that we make use of determiners every day. We've learned about the articles determiners, possessive determiners, demonstrative determiners, quantifiers determiners, and numbers determiners. So can you try this? Practice time. So, number one, those three students forgot to bring their books to the library. So, can you identify the determiners in these questions? So, number two, each of those flowers has a different color. So, can you identify the determiner there? And what kind of determiner is present in that question? My friend bought some fruits and gave me an apple. That teacher marks all the assignments carefully. Her two cousins live in the same city as our family. Every one of these pencils belonged to my brother. The children painted several trees in their garden. So, did you get that? So, identify, you can have more than one determiner in a sentence. So, identify the determiners and then tell me what type of determiners you were able to identify. And with that, we have come to the end of today's class, learn about determiners. See you in the next class. Bye bye.